Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Confessions of a Paper Addict Cutfiles design team layout. I'm going to be playing with Cartabella's Homemade just because I really liked the colors. I really wanted some yellow because I have this beautiful cut file. Let me find a better pattern for you. Well, that wasn't really a good choice. Here we go. This beautiful cut file of it's the Lightbulb. It's from June, actually, that I want to cut out. So I want to back the flowers in some fun colors in the pattern papers and get my Lightbulb. Oh, I might do the Lightbulb in this green. And then do a nice soft vellum back is what I'm going to do. And I have these two photos of me reading to my son. And I just liked the idea of the fact that you can see that there's light shining. So I wanted the Lightbulb and our photos, maybe do some blending just to get the light shining effect, and then yeah, play with paper and cut files and things. So I'm gonna get this backed, I'm gonna get my photos trimmed down and kind of pick out whatever else I'm gonna use, and then we will finish this page together. Right, my light bulb is all backed. I didn't have vellum, I couldn't find it, but I had this really nice tissue paper. So I backed it with tissue paper. I am working out how I would like to do my layout. What I want is I want to have, I want to do some ink blending. I've kind of marked where my photos are and my light bulb is, so I know where I need to at least go out, but I'm definitely going to ink blend underneath. And then I want to frame my layout in this color, so I've already gutted that, and I was dumb, and I was cutting corners, so I didn't think about that ahead of time, but I did that. But I also then want to frame it in white again. So after I do ink blending, I'll glue this down. We'll get this glued down, and then we're going to trim again a very tiny border, and we're going to frame it in white again, so that it's kind of a double matte. I haven't really decided on what I want to matte my photos in yet. I think I might just do some nice thin mattes of like this, just because it's a nice multicolor, and then maybe the yellow or this yellow. I haven't quite decided. We'll do that. So I'm going to do some ink blending first. I want scattered straw because it's nice and soft. And then I wanted wild honey. Yes, yes, yes. Whew. Okay. Okay. We'll let those dry for a sec. I'll clean up and we'll assemble. All right. I like the way this looks. Beautiful. So we're gonna glue this down, and then I double matted my photos in the like pinkish red gingham and the floral, like I said, and we're gonna stack them together like so. What I love is right now I'm going, shoot, where am I gonna put my title? I don't know what my title is gonna be. You know, this is how my brain works. So yeah. Okay, I gotta figure out what I want to do with this corner. I think what I might do is do one of these, make it look like this part is folded over. So literally do a fold over, like right here, and this corner. But then I gotta figure out how to cut that. Created a pickle for myself. Bit to meat. And then it's this little fold over here. like it ain't no thing. I want to do this together as my title. Where? I don't know. This could work, or this could work. Maybe this. Yeah. And then we can tuck in some things like flowers. What do I have? What do I have? I have tags. Bases for some clusters. And then we'll use a bunch of flower stickers. Yep. Okay, liking it. Bees and flowers. Bees and flowers. Okay. What else?
Help me brush some teeth and get some clothes on.
Ooh, I like this. This is cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna sprinkle some of these tiny flowers and some of the enamel dots. So this is a scrap room kit for this month. It's one of the flavors of the month kits for the month. There's this I love you so much sticker that I'm just gonna nestle right here. And I'm gonna move that enamel, or do I tuck it up here? Do it that. And then we can do family time. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the Facebook group where there's tons of inspiration. Check out the shop, of course, and get yourself this cut file or any other cut files that you see fit. There's lots of great ones, over 1,000 to choose from. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, you guys. See you next time.